Today, you will learn how to add hyphens in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's understand the basic hyphen sign. A hyphen is the small line that looks like this. You can type it very easily from your keyboard. Just press the key next to the number 0 on the top row of your keyboard. When you press it once, Word will insert a hyphen. This is the most common way to add a hyphen in Word. You can use it in words like well-known, part-time, or step-by-step. So if you simply want to write a hyphen between two words, all you need to do is place your cursor where you want the hyphen and press that key. It is that simple. There is also another type of hyphen used in Microsoft Word called automatic hyphenation. This is different from typing a hyphen yourself. Automatic hyphenation is when Word decides where to split a word at the end of a line so the text fits nicely on the page. This is especially useful in longer documents because it can make the page look more balanced and avoid large empty spaces. To use this in Word, go to the Layout tab at the top. Then look for the hyphenation option. Click it and you will see different choices. If you want Word to handle it for you, choose Automatic. After that, Word may add hyphens at the end of lines where needed. This is useful when you are working with justified text or narrow page layouts. If you do not want Word to automatically add hyphens, you can turn this off anytime. Just go back to the same hyphenation option and choose None. This will remove automatic hyphenation from your document. Many beginners get confused between typing a hyphen manually and using automatic hyphenation, so here's the simple difference. When you type a hyphen yourself, you decide exactly where it goes. When you turn on automatic hyphenation, Word places it for you to improve spacing and layout. Both are useful, but they're used for different reasons. If this video helped you understand how to add hyphens in Word, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.